Hey all, so I had to have a conversation with myself today and I thought I would share it with all of you. The world is seriously in chaos right now. So if you're watching this live, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're watching this, I'm gonna put this on YouTube later. So if you're watching the replay, hopefully the chaos is past and you can still get some value for whatever else has come up in your life. So today, I wanted to talk about how to stop worrying about things you can't change. It's seriously such a waste of time, so I'm going to give you 6 tips on how to become more effective and more productive. So first, you identify your fears. What exactly are you afraid of happening? Are you predicting catastrophe? Do you doubt your ability to cope with it? There's a good chance that you're stronger than you think. So I think by acknowledging that you can handle these worst case scenarios, it'll help you put your energy into more productive exercises. Next, 2, determine what you can actually control. So when you find yourself worrying about these things, take a minute to think about the things that you do have control over. You can't prevent a storm or this damn disease from coming, but you can prepare for it. You can't control how someone else behaves, but you can control how you react. So if you just recognize that all you can control is your effort and your attitude, so then when you put your energy into the things you can control, you'll be much more productive. I hope that makes sense. Number 3, create a plan to manage your stress. So exercise, eating healthy, getting plenty of sleep, yoga, of course. Do not use unhealthy coping skills like continuing complaining to others, binge eating, or drinking too much. Number 4, there's a difference between ruminating and problem solving. You will never get anywhere by replaying these conversations or imagining catastrophic outcomes over and over in your head. So when you're sitting there ruminating, ask yourself if you're being productive and solving a problem, or if you're wasting your time. And if you're wasting your time spinning the wheels, change the channel. Finally, come up with your mantra or affirmation. So when you think that you have something that you have no control over, I tell myself I can handle it. So I'll say, well, for instance, what's going on with the world and my trip is probably going to be canceled. So I just say, I can't control it. I can handle it. I can't control it. I can handle it. Yes, it's an obstacle, but it's also an opportunity. So then I try to find what the opportunity is in the obstacle. I hope I'm making sense. But that was the conversation that I had to have with myself to change the mindset because of everything that's going on. My daughter's classes have gone online. My trip is going to be canceled. My daughter's in one state. My son's in another state. All kinds of stuff is going on. Plus, obviously the world, there's all these people that are having, their jobs, they're getting laid off temporarily, which affects their income, and the tourism industry, the travel industry, all of that. So for those of you who might be watching this, hopefully 3 months from now, this will all be a non-issue. But in the meantime, it's a current event and it is weighing heavy on my heart and on a lot of people's hearts. And I hope that this video gives you some help with how to cope with it. So if you do find value in this, please let me know, because I want to do more of these types of videos and it'll help me to know what everybody else would like to hear from me. So that's all. Have a great day and stay healthy. Bye.